It's your turn, guys. I'll never go far away from you. Unless I will tell you that I need you so. That's right. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. This is all I know. I never go far away Thank you. One more. Okay. One more. One more. My next song, I would like to, of course, thank Bergman for having me today. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan po natin ng Bergman. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nag-organize ng event na ito. Natutuwa ako na nasaksihan ko ang napakagaling at napaka-talentadong mga artists natin kanina. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. And I'm so happy to be singing for all of you tonight. Maraming salamat po. I love Dubai! I love you, Amy! May tanong ako, Saan ba nabibili yung fixed chocolates? Yung nagtatrending na chocolates? Saan? Balita ko muna daw dito yun eh. Kasi hindi ko ng marami na ibebenta ko sa Pilipinas. Since napakarami nating nasaksihan na talento kanina, syempre nakarelate ako because I also came from a contest back in 2003. That was 21 years ago. So sino pang nakakaalala ng story na ngayon?